Welcome back to another YouTube from Best RV channel. I am Nalo from Grand Terrace in Southern California, talking about the brand new 2026 Coachmen Apex 213RD. How many times you want to have a rear living and big window on the travel trailer, but you have limitation in the weight? Well, Coachmen Apex, they solved this issue for you. Now I could have a travel trailers with a big window in the back. They call it rear den or rear living, and still weight only 4380. So 4,400 pound dry weight on this unit, 4380, and 25 feet tip to tip, 2 AC, big window in the back, sofa slide, full walk around bed, and it's only in a 23-foot tip to tip 25. It is a brand new 2026 Coachmen Apex. One thing I like about them, they have the big automotive window, nice LED light, 2 propane tanks, and it comes with outdoor barbecue grill sit over here. And matter of fact, if you look in the basement storage, you could see the outdoor barbecue. And this is a vacuum bonded aluminum frame, 4 stabilizer jack, 2 in the front, 2 in the back, off train, we call them off-grid tires. They are Goodyears. You could see how they're big and beef up, and they're made in America. They're Goodyear, not a Chinese pump. I love about this unit is the awning is so big. It covers 90% of the travel trailers. So it has LED light in the top with a power awning, glass door, nice motorized step, nice entry assistant handles. And in the back, you could see the big window. They give you backup camera prep, a spare tire and a cover, endless hot water heater, 2-inch bumpers, 30 amp power cord, and again 30 amp, and it's 2 AC because they're gonna ask me a question because they use soft start AC, 8,000 pound PTU AC in the front, 13.5 in the back, and it has a sofa slide, outside shower hot and cold, sandy flush and city water connections, water fill, and then you have the other side of the pass-through storage. And as we said, the dry weight of this unit as equipped 4382, and tip to tip overall length is 25.2, perfect for your half-ton towable truck, and where you could have a big window in the back and a rear den and 2 AC. So as you see, we're gonna go inside. Stay tuned with me. How many times customer want to have a rear living with a big view window in a small travel trailers and have difficulty? Well, Coachmen Apex, they did it in this model. This is 213RD, where you have a big window in the back, rear den, so you have a dinette in the back. As you see, it has very roomy and 3 windows, 1, 2, 3. All these windows, they open. So the roof in this unit, if you go and you could hear from the sound, is one piece vacuum aluminum frame, and it's curved in the outside. So if you go outside, it's very curved. So this is my desired floor plan, was when you walk in, you have a big rear den, especially in the morning, evening. Now, I know you see now empty field in Grand Terrace, but imagine there's oceans, mountains, and nice view in the back. Also, it gives you more counter space. Why? Because when you have the height a bit, the sofa slide and the dinette, so I have 2 seating area. I could sit, enjoy the sitting here and enjoy the TV, and the TV location is right there. Now, why we don't give you a TV? Because we realize getting your own TV way much cheaper. For $100 from Walmart, you get nice 32-inch TV, cheaper than the factory. Give you a counter space. The TV, I could put it in the wall, I could put it on the counter, whatever you want, I could do. So as you see, this is a beautiful sofa, very comfy. It has the cup holders. I could have a nice conversations. The dinette turned down to bed, it come down and become bed. As well, it has a storage underneath it. See, accessible storage. And then you have another accessible storage right there. And then all the back is the storage above the windows. So you have plenty storage in the back. The sofa facing the TV and the TV. Huge counter space. Big one country sink. And as I said, 2 burner range, big window. That's one thing I like about the Apex. Big window, convection microwave air fryer, furnace. And then coming over here, so you have all this doors, cabinet, and tinsel doors and more storage here. I could add more storage and plenty of room for your dishes, cooking pans, tinsels, all fit, very roomy. Now this is another kick of this unit. 23 feet with 2 ACs. And that's what I really like about it. They give you 8,000 PTU air conditioning in the bedroom, 13.5 AC in the living room, 2 AC on a 23 foot, which is very unheard. But the Apex, they do. 10.7 cubic fridge, and you can see it's running. And then you have a corner shower door. I love this shower head, a skylight, solid medicine cabinet, not a plastic, a place for hair dryers, plug. This is the endless hot water heaters. So if I open the water, we can do this. And you can see as soon as I start, my hot water heater start kicking and the temperature start going running. You give it a time, we'll work. So now you see the temperature start coming. And then if I touch the water, start getting warm. That's what I like about the endless hot water heater. You just touch the switch. Coat hangers, fans with lights, toilet sit high, plenty of room for your knees. Then coming down over here, you have a beautiful queen size bed. Now this is more lighting, TV. I could put another TV in the corner, 32-inch TV, hanging closets as well. This shelf is removable and I could hang clothes or folding clothes. And then you have full storage right there and storage underneath the bed right there. There's 110 USB in both sides in case if you have CPAP machines or if you want to do your laptop. Window in the front with the shade. These windows, they open for wind circulations, plus you have a second AC here. So the 213RD is less than 4,500 pound dry weight, half-ton towable. They give you the rear living and 2 ACs and a slide, big counter space, very roomy. So come to Best RV and enjoy this. Please click on the link underneath and you will see a full detail about this unit with picture, pricing, and we assure you, we are the lowest price in Southern California as well in Northern California on the 213RD. We'd love to make it happen. Give us a call or click on this and leave us comments. We'll be glad to answer it. We have a special team sitting 12 hours a day answering all your concerns on social media. Coming in.